Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing great today. Today I'm going to working with normal distributed variables. So in this chapter 6 section 1 and section 2 we were dealing with how we deal with the normal distributed variables, what are the way to figure it out, the area if we have been given C score, if we have been given area, how we figure it out, what is the C score, something like that. So we can combine all the stuff what we have learned in this section. So let's start it. To determine the percentage or probability, the same things, area, probability, percentage, same thing. Okay, for normal distributed variables there are few steps I have mentioned here. You don't need to follow these steps, but it's better uh, until you are master in this section, try to follow these steps. Okay, sketch the normal curve associated with the variable. I think this is really important. It doesn't matter in which state in which stage you are in, try to sketch that normal curve. Okay, shade the region, that's the next important thing. Shade the region and mark its delimiters. uh, Find C score for the delimiting x values. Find the C score. Use the table 2 to find the area under standard normal curve. That's it. Okay, then you will be having uh, your answer. Okay, we will see that. Determination of the percentage of people having IQs between 115 and 140. You have a normal curve. They have given what's the normal curve. So mean is 100, sigma is 16. So you need to figure it out what is the uh, percentage. Okay, to find that, first you need to figure it out what is the C score. Okay, in this normal curve it is not a standard normal curve. This is not standard normal curve, standard normal. Okay, so what you have to do is convert this normal distribution to a standard normal distribution. Convert to standard normal distribution. Okay, then find the area with respect to these two values. That's the percentage. I told you, although you convert your distribution to a standard normal distribution, it doesn't change anything. Okay, so let's try to figure it out. Okay, I have example, same example, IQ measure. Okay, normal distribution, let's say the variable is x. I have normal distribution mu 100 and standard deviation is 16. I'll draw it here for you. Okay, this is my normal distribution. This is not the standard normal distribution, this is a normal distribution. Okay, I have two values. What are those? 115 and 140. I need to find the area or simply probability, percentage. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to convert these values or this whole curve into a standard normal curve. Okay, by using what? C equals x minus mu divided by sigma. Do you remember that? So when I come this way, what's the value? This value gonna be 115 minus what is mu? 100 divided by 16. Oh god, I have to, so you have to figure it out. This is gonna be 15 over 16, right? 15 over 16. So when you go this way, it's gonna be 140 minus mu is 100 divided by 16. So this is gonna be 40 minus 16, which mean 10 over 4. 10 over 4 mean 2.5, right? 2.5. Okay, now you know what are these values. This is going to be 15 over 16, this is going to be 2.5. So you have converted these values. Now you have to find the area between these two values. Forget about these original values. Now we have to deal with these values. What is this? This is the standard normal curve. Standard normal curve or distribution. Okay, can use word curve or distribution. Now what you have to do, you have C values. Okay, so these are C score. Go to the table, find these C values and find the area. Okay, according to this C value gives you the area from where. I'll draw that picture again here. This is your 15 over 16. So you cannot find the value of 15 over 16. You have to get the decimal value. Okay, by using your calculator, get the values. It gonna be 0.8 something like that. Okay, and this value is 2.5. So find the area, this area, and then find the area from here to here, and then get the difference. That's it. That value is the area between these two. Multiply by 100, you have the percentage. That's really easy. So this is what you have to do. Area for 2.5 minus area for 15 over 16 is the value which you need to figure it out. Is the area that you need to find. Okay, so you have the area multiply by 100, you have the percentage. Okay, clear? So you have definitely you have to get the value for this guy 15 over 16 by using your calculator and find that value in C score, C table. Okay, I think previously they have mentioned those values. Okay, these are the C values. These are the C values. 2.5 is going to be 0.94. So I can write it 0.94. Okay, these are the values 0.94 and 2.5. So go to the table and find these values. Try to figure it out. 0.94 first, which means this one. 0.94. I think I have that. 0.94. 0.9. First find 0.9. Okay, I got it. 0.94. 0.04. So you know 0.94. How we break it? 0.9 plus 0.04. So that's how we got 0.94. So first find 0.9 from the row. Okay, this row, then 0.04 using columns. So this one, which means 0.8264, 8264, 8264. Oh, sorry. So this one. It's not the value. This one, 0.8264. I'm sorry, not this one. Okay, not this one. Next value is which one? 2.5. Okay, 2.5. 2.5. Okay, I have 2.5. Directly I have that value because it is 0. 2.50. So 0 is here. This one, right? 9938. 0.9938. It is 9938. 0.9938. Now you can find the area. How you find the area? you have 0.9938 minus 0.8264. Okay, it is 47826 92981 0.1674. Okay, this is not the answer. What you have to do, multiply by 100. So your percentage is 16.74, right? If I am correct with these numbers, it is 4, 3 minus it is 27, then you have 8, 8 minus 2, 6. Yeah, I think it's correct. Okay, so percentage is 16.75 74. Sorry, you don't need to go back, just use this area as your answer. Okay, why we use this area as your answer? Because this conversion or this transformation doesn't change anything. Okay, empirical rule for variables. For any variables, I think we have done this in chapter 1, at the end of chapter 1, empirical rule. For any variable whose distribution is bell shaped one, which means now you know what's the name of that, normal distribution. We can say, okay, approximately 68% covers in between mu minus sigma and mu plus sigma. Here if you have mu plus sigma, here mu minus sigma. Okay, approximately 95% cover within 2 sigma region, which means mu plus 2 sigma, mu minus 2 sigma. Approximately 99.7 covers in mu minus 3 sigma and mu plus 3 sigma area. So I think you may remember this graph. Okay, actually sometimes some problems uh, they have mentioned this idea so that you can directly uh, use this percentage to get the solution. Okay, so determine the observations corresponding to specified percentage or probability of probability for a near normal distributed variables. Sketch the normal curve. Yes, definitely. Shade the region of interest. I told you to do that. Use table 2 to find the C score and find the X value having C score. Okay, okay, let's see. So in this case, they have mentioned you need to find the observation for specific percentage. So you have to go back. See, do you remember that equations, how we convert the normal distribution into a standard normal distribution? C equals x minus mu over sigma. Okay, now you have to find x. Shaded area is to left. So how do you find that value? How do you find that particular value to given area? I'm sorry, to given area, you need to find this value from standard normal to normal distribution. Now you have to come back. Okay, this is your standard normal distribution, standard normal. So you have to come back here. So simply you can multiply this by sigma both sides. So sigma C sigma equals x minus mu, right? Then what you have to do? Then you have now, okay, I'll write down here C sigma equals x minus mu. Now you can add mu both sides. Okay, so that C sigma plus mu equals x, right? So this means x equals mu plus C times sigma. This is also x equal mu plus C sigma. So you have to be careful with this sign. if you have negative c, when you put the negative c, those values can be changed. Okay, which mean these two values, this side and this side. Okay, this value based on this c value, sign of the c value. If c score is negative value, then that value become less than this value. Okay, shaded area in the middle, you have to consider both mu plus c sigma and this, let's say x1 x2, two values because there are two values, mu minus c sigma. So this goes to here and this goes to here. Okay, so this case please do not consider the sign. Okay, in this case they have considered the sign, that's why you have negative here. So don't consider sign in this case. Okay, please keep that in your mind. Okay, we will see obtain the 90th percentile of IQs. 90th percentile, 90th. 90th mean 90%, which mean left of the x is 0.9. So this is 0.1, right? If this is, see, left to the x 0.9, 90% means 0.9. So you have to find the 90th percentile. So you have to figure it out this value. Okay. So what you have to do? This is standard normal. This is standard normal. Standard normal. So you have to convert this into your normal distribution. Okay. So first find 0.9. You have area. So find the area. Okay, I'll you need to first, okay, I'll mention here, you need to find the area. You need to find the first, figure it out the c score based on that area. Find c score of this area, c score of area 0.9. Then what you have to do? Okay, I'll put 1 2 3. Then you have c score, convert back, that's the value. Okay, okay, let's see how do we find that. You need to find area, so you have to focus on inside. Okay, focus inside 0.9, 0.9 here. See, those two are the closest one, but you can see here 0.9 is not there. You have 0.8997 and 0.9015. So which one is the closest one? I think this guy, right? So go this side and go this side, find the value. Value should be 1.2 plus 0.08, 1.28, right? 1.28. So value is 1.28. This is your c score. Now what you have to do? Convert back. Your equation is c equals x minus mu divided by sigma. Okay, so now you know what is your c score, 1.28 equals x, that what you need to find. What is mu and I think I have this distribution before, right? Mu, it's gonna be this one, IQ case, yeah. 116, mu is 100, standard deviation is 16, 116. So normal 116. This is your distribution. This has a normal 0 1, right? So your distribution is normal 116. So what you have to do? Convert back, c sigma equals x minus mu So x equals what? X equals mu plus c sigma. So you have these values, mu is 100 plus c is 1.28 multiplied by 16, right? So this is your answer. This is the 90th percentile. Okay, by using same concept you can solve example 7 as well, so please try to do that as well. So this is the end of this section. So thank you very much and have a nice day.